Hello students, today we are going to learn a new topic, male reproductive system. Human beings reproduce by sexual reproduction. We already discussed about sexual reproduction, that male possess male reproductive organs and female possess female reproductive organs. So we already studied that human beings are unisexual animals. Here you can see that urinary bladder. Here just under that urinary bladder, pubic bone. Here is a long duct. This long duct is known as vas deferens. Here this urinary bladder is connected with a tube. This tube is known as urethra. Here you can see that urinary bladder is connected with the urethra. Here three muscles you can see. These muscles are called erectile tissue, and this outermost part, it is known as penis. Just right side you can see that lowermost part, interior part, it is known as testis. This testis protected by scrotum. Just above that testis, a covering like bag like one structure you can see. It is known as epididymis, and right side you can see that rectum, and here just under that urinary bladder you can see prostate gland, and inside that prostate gland you can see ejaculatory duct, and this urinary bladder is attached with a seminal vesicle. Let us study now testes. In human male, testes are 2 in number and oval in shape. They lie within the scrotum outside the abdominal cavity. Sperm. Male gametes are produced inside the coil tubes in each testis. Testes produce male sex hormone testosterone. Here you can see that structure of that testis. This is the Indian-most structure of testis. Scrotum. Scrotum is a sac around testis, hangs from the base of the penis and holds testis outside the abdominal cavity. Keep 3 degrees Celsius lower than the body temperature. Is most suitable for the maturation of sperm. So what is their function? So it is hanging just outside the body cavity. That's why if our body temperature is 37 degree, then 37 minus 3, that means 34 degrees Celsius only in this scrotum temperature. That means so whatever is outermost body temperature, so its lowest temperature is present in this scrotum. So it help to save sperm, and it help for the maturation of sperm also. External view. Here you can see that muscle layer and interior part also clearly visible. Epididymis. Its main function is that it transports and stores sperm cells that are produced in the testis. Each epididymis lies in the scrotum in close proximity with testis. Sperm mature and stored in it. Here you can see the structure of epididymis. Sperm ducts. It starts from epididymis. They eject sperm in the urethra prior to ejaculation. Here you can see that sperm duct. Urethra. Urethra is a tube-like structure extend through penis and open at its tip. It's a passage for both urine and sperm. Now let us see its structure. Here urinary bladder. Then afterwards you can see that trigona of urinary bladder, tubula, prostate gland, prostatic ductules, prostatic part of urethra, membranous part of urethra, bulb of penis, spongy part of urethra, cavernous body of penis, deep artery of penis, tunica albumina, glass penis. Left side you can see that internal urethral sphincter, urethral crest, seminal colliculus, bulbourethral gland, external urethral sphincter, ampulla of urethra, crest of penis, urethral lacunae, spongious body of penis, urethra, navicular fossa of urethra, external orifice of urethra. Penis. It's a muscular erectile organ. It delivers sperms into the vagina of female for fertilization of ova. Seminal vesicles, prostate gland and Cowper's gland. They are called accessory glands. Seminal vesicles. The seminal vesicles are a pair of two coiled tubular glands that lie behind the urinary bladder of male animals. Here you can see that vast difference. Seminal vesicle, ejaculatory duct, here you can see that vast difference. Seminal vesicle, ejaculatory duct, prostate gland and prostatic urethra. Prostate gland. Prostate gland is a walnut-sized gland located between the bladder and the penis. It is just in front of the rectum. The prostate secretes fluid that nourishes and protects sperm. Here you can see that urinary bladder, vast difference, urethra, seminal vesicle, prostate gland, prostate capsule, ejaculatory duct, sphincter muscles, bulboral glands, urethra and spongy body. Bulbourethral or Cowper's gland. So the specialty of this Cowper's gland, it is inferior to the prostate gland. It secretes thick alkaline mucus and helps and lubricate the tip of the penis and neutralize any urinary acids in urethra. Fluid released in response to sexual stimulation. Semen. It is thick whitish liquid containing sperm and secretion from accessory glands of male reproductive system. Thank you for watching this video.